The Miami climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., December 11th, 2023. Today's high temperature of 73 degrees occurred at 1:22 p.m. This high was 6 degrees below the normal high of 79. The record high is 85 degrees, which was last set in 2019. Today's low temperature of 66 degrees occurred at 9:24 a.m. This low was 1 degree above the normal low of 65. The record low is 32 degrees.
Hello guys, you know me, it's Scratch Cat, and I have a very
Which was set in 1934. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 0.03 inches. This is 0.90 inches below the normal amount of 0.93 inches for December. There were no heating degree days today, and there were 5 cooling degree days today. Sunset tonight is at 5:31 p.m.